hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Rakhi makeup look. So I know in this COVID situations we cannot do as much as we want to, but still we are going to celebrate this Rakhi. So those who are already staying with their brothers and sisters, they can celebrate in home, and those who are staying outside like me, so we are going to celebrate via video call. So that doesn't mean that we are not going to do makeup or we are just going to sit like that only in front of our videos. So because we want to send our loves and our positive energy to our brothers and sisters, to make them happy and to have share a cherished moment. So keeping that thought, I have done this makeup tutorial. It's very simple and basic, but at the same time it will look very beautiful also. So it's a day makeup. So without any further talk, let's start with this makeup. So I have already washed my face, and now I'm going to use a lotion. So here I'm using a Johnson baby lotion. So this is a very light moisturizer. It can easily absorb in the skin. And now I'm going to use a pack concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. So if you're in my skin tone, if you're in a medium skin tone, then definitely this is very good concealer. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. You. So now I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And if you're in my shade, then definitely my shade is 128 Warm Nude. So then you can have this one. It looks very good. It is a high coverage foundation. So sometimes if you don't want to use concealer and just want to go with the foundation, so you can go with this one because it's a pretty high coverage foundations. So I'm going to use this foundation today. And for medium skin tone, 128 Warm Nude will be a perfect shade. So I've just taken a very little pump because it is as I said, it's a high coverage. So I'm just going to use where I haven't used concealer, not in my under eyes area I'm using. So my foundation is done now, and now I'm going to set my face with a little bit of powder. So it's a monsoon season and there is a lot of humidity in the weather, so there is a chance of sweating. So it's better to use a powder to give a matte effect. So today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette. So this is a blush palette, and this is in the shade Rose Champagne. So it's a very natural blush color, so it just goes with my skin tone very naturally. So I will use it as a powder today because it is a very it is a little bit of shine in it, which looks very natural and very beautiful. So it looks that you have an inner glow in your skin. So I'm going to use this all over in my face to give that matte effect, because it is a powdery, and at the same time it will give a little bit shine, but that shine is very subtle shine. It's perfect for daytime. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. So I have already used a powder, and now I'm going to use eyebrows. So today I'm going to do my eyebrows. So here I'm using this Miss Clear eyebrow palette. So this is also a very good eyebrow palette. So in most of my videos I'm using this palette. Very easy to use, and it looks very natural and very beautiful. So here I'm going to take this shade. So my eyebrows are done now. So I haven't drawn I haven't drawn too much, so I don't want to make it too broad because that looks very fake. It can look as natural as it is. And now I have brushed my eyebrows, so it's looking very natural and very beautiful. Okay, so for today's Rakhi makeup eyeshadow makeup look, so I'm going to do a very peachy eyeshadow look, very coral ties, because you can see that I'm wearing a orange dress. First, I'm going to use this Nika K birthday eyeshadow palette, and this is the shade birthday cake. So this is actually a very good eyeshadow palette. It's very well pigmented and it is very budget friendly. So if you're looking for a good eyeshadow palette in a budget friendly, then definitely you can check this one. So this is the orange color I'm going to use, but before this I'm going to use this Lakmé Infinity eyeshadow palette, because that is too dark, so I just usually start with the lighter color and then I go to the dark color. So here I'm going to use this Lakmé Infinity Absolute eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Pink Paradise. So this is also a very good eyeshadow palette, and here I'm going to take this color. I'm going to take this color. Whenever I do any eyeshadow, first I use a very lighter color in my crease area, and then I go with a little bit darker color, and then I use another darker color in my outer corner to give a smoky effect. And now I'm going to use this dark color a little bit in my outer corner. Like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Like gold, you got me so. So it is done now, and now I'm going to use a shimmery color in the inner corner of my eyes. I use this brush, not my hand today. So I'm going to use this NYX makeup setting spray, and I'm going to brush this, spray this over my brush area. Here I'm going to take this orangey shimmery shade and going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. You can see how much it has already there in my brush. Flat brush. I'm going to use the same shade in my lower lash line area, so that will give a very good smoky effect. A little bit orange shade from this Nika K birthday eyeshadow palette. So here first I'm going to use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. A Maybelline Colosal black eyeliner, and this is in a sketch shape. Like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Like gold, you got me so. I have done a little bit of wing eye, so eyeliner is done now, and now I'm going to use a mascara. So as I'm going to stay in home only, so today I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and this is a washable mascara. You can easily wash out. So as because I'm not going out, so this is enough to use a mascara. I'm not going to use a waterproof mascara. So one trick what I have learned by doing makeup most of the time, so I have learned this that whenever you will do your mascara, always take your eye like this and then do the mascara. Then what happen, so ऊपर जो यहाँ पे in your eyelash in your crease area, your mascara will not get touched and it will not mess up. So it is always better to use your hand in this way and use your mascara, so there will be no mess up in your upper eyes. So now I'm going to use this contour palette. This is a Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is in the shade Dulce Leche. So this is a very good contour palette. It's a brownie shade, so it gives a very sun-kissed look. So I'm just going to contour this area. So today I'm not going to contour like this. Just going to contour like this, because whenever we contour like this, so it looks very cut crease, and whenever we don't smile, or whenever my face is like this also, the contour shows up. That looks very bad. So just contour in your cheekbone area and just end it up there only, or you can connect like this, so that whenever I'm not smiling also, it will not show like this. And a little bit in my forehead area, and little bit in my under my jaw. Use this Master Flush blush. It has an ombre effect, you can see. So I'm going to take this blush, a very little amount, and that blush also I'm going to use in my side cheeks area, not in the apple of my cheeks, because whenever I will not smile, at that time also if I do blush cheeks like a clown, so that's what I don't want. So just in your side cheekbones, so that it will uplift your whole face. Use this makeup setting spray, because it's a humid weather. As I have said to you, it's a monsoon season and there is a lot of sweat. So I'm going to use a setting spray so that my makeup stays for a little bit longer time and the sweat doesn't come in my face. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. So highlighter I'm going to use from this palette, Sugar Contour palette. So I'm in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So this is actually a very good palette. This is also having a bronze and a highlighter and a blush. So if you're traveling somewhere and you just don't want to take too much separately, blush, highlighter and bronzer, just take this one and you'll be good to go. So it's highly recommended from. So I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter and going to use it in this area. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. So today I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick, and this is in the shade Clay Crush. So it's a very nude basic color. Like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold. Crush, it's a very basic nude color and it goes very well with my skin tone also, and it will look good in most of the Indian skin tone. If you are a medium and medium to light skin tone, then this is a color for you. And now I'm going to do my hairs and then I'm going to show you my final look. So this is my final look. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you love this video, then give a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more videos like this. So till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.